guys, welcome to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're here at the 2020 annual dealer meeting in Harley-Davidson. Showing another fine display. This is a new color combination that we haven't shown you yet today. This is the 2020 Heritage Classic 114. Now it comes to us with the blacked out Milwaukee 8 114 engine, detachable windshield, and standard cruise control. Also has the dual bending valve front suspension, locking saddlebags, and a signature Daymaker LED headlight and running lights. This particular model is displayed in Billiard red and vivid black. Comes standard with ABS, factory security system, and cruise control.